Welcome to Math with Miss Grundy. Today we're going to be talking about discount, sale price, all of that jazz. This is something that you're going to use in your daily life. It is something that, who doesn't love a good sale? And we need to know how much things are going to cost before we get up to the register to pay. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the notes on my handy dandy notebook, and then I will upload them to Google Class as soon as I am done with this video. So when talking about sales and discount, there are three things that we need to remember. The first is the original price. Then we have the discount. And the original should be in dollar bills. The discount should be in a fraction. Or it could be in a percent. And then finally the sale price, which is when you go up to the register and they ring you up and they take the discount off of the original price, how much will you actually pay? So, the same thing is also used for commission. Commission, again, is a percent that you make off of a total sale. So, we're going to go ahead and talk about a video game. And this video game originally cost $48. And it was marked down, or the discount price was 1/4 off. And they want us to find the sale price. And I know because this discount, or how much you get off, is 1/4, and the original has to be the whole, so it's going to be 4/4. I know that this sale plus the discount has to equal the original fraction and price. So if I have 1/4, 1/4 plus 3/4 equals 4/4. Now that I have that, I am ready to go ahead and draw my tape diagram. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my rectangle. And I'm going to split it into fourths, because that is how many pieces make up the whole, or the original price. I try and do it as evenly as possible, but I am human, not using a ruler, so do the best that you can. Then I know that this whole thing represents the original price, and that was $48. I like to include my units just so I don't forget them at the end and that they don't get lost. I then know that this right here is my discount, because my discount was 1/4 off. So that means I will end up not paying this discount, and what is left will be the sale price. Now I have to figure out what 1/4 of 48 is. So there are 4 different boxes. So I'm going to take my total, 48, and divide it by 4. 48 divided by 4 is 12. So each box is worth $12. That means my discount was $12 off, and my sale price was $12.24.36. That means on a video game that was $48 originally, with a discount of 1/4 off, I'm going to end up paying $36. However, I don't play video games, so I would probably never even pay $36 for a video game. So this is how we figure out the sale price when we're given the original and the fraction of the discount. So this time, we again are going to have an original, a discount, and a sale price. This time we're buying washing machines, and the washing machine is on sale, and you're going to end up paying $1,200 after the discount of 1/5 off the original price. I don't know the original price, so I need to go ahead and find it. In order to do this, I'm going to go ahead and draw a tape diagram. And I know if the discount was 1/5, that means for the sale, I'm going to pay 4/5, because remember, our original has to be a whole, so 5/5. So I'm going to go ahead and split my tape diagram into 5 pieces the best that I can. 1, 2, 3. So there's 5 pieces. I know that this is the discount because it is 1/5. And I know that the rest, or the 4/5, will be the sale price. And I also know that the sale price was $1,200. I really hope this is a nice wash machine, because that feels like very expensive to be able to wash your clothes. So looking at this, I know that I have 4 boxes that are equal to 1,200. I need to find the value of each box. So I'm going to go ahead and take my total and divide by the number of groups, 4. 4 goes into 1, 0 times. 4 goes into 12, 3 times. A lot of us recently have been making the mistake and saying, oh, I'm done at this point. But there's no way that 4 can go into 1,200 only 3 times. If so, I would love for 3 people to give me $4, because then I would be living the life. Instead, you have to keep dividing. So 4 goes into 0, so bring it down. 4 now goes into 0, 0 times. 4 then goes into 0, 0 times. Meaning that 1,200 divided by 4 is 300. So that means each of these boxes are worth $300. Now I can find the total. So I could do this a couple of ways. I could multiply 300 by 5, or I could just skip count by 300. So 300, 600, 900, 1,200, 1,500. So 1,500 was the original price. of the washing machine. From there, it gets more complicated. However, as long as you have this foundation of the tape diagrams, you should be able to do it. These two problems are going to be very similar to what you'll see on the end of module. However, I'm going to do one that is a little more difficult because I think it's important for you to know how to take this and amp it up into a problem that you potentially will see at a higher level in SBAC. So this next problem is probably more so a level 4 problem that you would see in SBAC. So here, we have Mark, who bought a tablet on sale. So we have an original, we have a discount, and we have the sale price. So he bought this tablet on sale for 1/4 off the original price. So the discount was 1/4. And the original price was $825. He also wanted to use a coupon for 1/5 off the sale price. So he's double discounting. And I remember a long time ago, I used to think that whenever it was a double discount, so it was a sale on top of a sale, they'll do this like for clearance items sometimes, or if you have a coupon. I used to think that both the discounts came from the original price, you added them together, and then subtracted it from the original price, and that was the price that you pay. However, this is not how it works. So before we even worry about the coupon of 1/5 off, we need to go ahead and find the sale price, because that 1/5 off comes off of the sale price. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my tape diagram. And I'm going to split it into fourths because my discount is 1/4. My sale will be 3/4 of the original, and the original is 4/4. So I'm going to go ahead and divide my box into 4 pieces. I know the original price was $825. And now I need to figure out the price of each of these boxes. So I'm going to go ahead and take 825 and divide it by 4. So I get $206.25. So I'm going to go ahead and write that in each of these boxes. Then I know that this right here is the discount. And the rest of it is the price that they paid, or the sale price. Here I can't skip count, so I am going to go ahead and do $206.25 times the 1, 2, 3 boxes that represent the sale. And $206.25 times 3 is $618.75. But remember, Mark has a coupon that he wants to use. So this sale price becomes our new original price. our discount was 1/5. And then now we have to find the new sale price, which is 4/5. So I'm going to go ahead and draw my tape diagram. Split it into 5 pieces. Label my discount. Label my sale price. I know that this whole original is $618.75. I wrote that incorrectly, 75 cents. So then I'm going to take that and divide it into 5. And my discount is $123.75. So each of these boxes I'm labeling $123.75. So now I have to find my sale price. So I'm going to take the value of each box and multiply it by my 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes that represent my sale price. So I get $495. That means Mark bought the tablet for $495. And if we wanted to figure out how much he saved, we could take the original price of $825 and subtract $495. So he saved $330. There are more problems that are similar to this, that if you're like, I would like to work on this and get really good at this, I definitely have more of these complex problems that are multi-step. Please let me know if you would like them. If you have a question, a comment, concern, leave it below in the comments. Click like, subscribe. I forget the third thing or fourth thing that I'm supposed to say, but that's okay. You know what to do. Again, if you have any questions about your review, please reach out to me via Parent Square or Google Classroom. I will be posting a new video tomorrow that shows that shows scale factor. That is similar to question 3 on your review. I'll also post a question that is similar to question 2. These questions are similar to question number 1. Hope you enjoyed the video, learned a lot. I will see you Monday.